Now we're going to solve string validators in Python. It's another easy HackerRank challenge, and I've already solved it. And that's why you can see my solution code on the right. I'm just making this a bit bigger. So here they are showing us some built-in Python string methods or string functions, which we use to validate some strings. You can use this on your input, especially if you have some requirements. When you have a form, for example, you have users who enter their data and you want to make sure that it's valid or it meets your criteria. So you could use something like isAllNum function right here, which will tell you if all the characters of the string are alphanumeric, meaning A to Z and 0 to 9. Or you could also use isAlpha, which will tell you if the string is alphabetical, so only characters between A and Z included, uppercase or lowercase. IsDigit will tell you if the values from the strings can be represented as digits between 0 and 9. IsLower tells you if the characters are all lowercase, and uppercase here, this function isUpper does the opposite. It tells you if all the characters in the string are uppercase. So in here, they give us the input, which will be S. It's a single string. It has anywhere between 1 and 1,000 characters. So in the first line, we are supposed to print if we have to print true if any of the characters here are alphanumeric. So it's not all the characters, it's any one of them. So if any of them is alphanumeric, we have to print true, otherwise we'll print false. Then on the second line, if any of them is alphabetical, between A to Z, we have to print true, otherwise false. On the third line, if the string has digits, we have to print true, otherwise false. Then if the string has lowercase characters, we have to print true, otherwise false on the fourth line. And on the fifth line, same thing, but for uppercase. If there are any uppercase letters, we print true, otherwise false. So here they give us the input. It's called S already. You don't have to work on that. Now I'm going to store all the functions that they gave us, these string methods, in a list. My goal here is to access each of these methods iteratively in a for loop. So here I'm storing them in a list called criteria. And then inside of this loop, I access each of these functions from my criteria here. And at every iteration, I'm going to call that function on every character of my string. So I'm going to go character by character. Is it true? Is it false? Does it meet the criteria that I'm looking at? If any of them is true, this whole thing will be true here. So I'm going to print true. Otherwise, if it's not true, I'm going to print false. So this will tell me if I meet any of these criteria, but I'm not going to check for the full string at once like they do here. Here they say all the characters of the string are alphanumeric, all the characters are alphabetical, and so on. In this case, I need to check each and every single character, because if you look at the output here, they tell you if the string has any alphanumeric characters or if it has any alphabetical characters. So the keyword any here is an important one. It tells you that you can use the any function from Python. And this will return you true if whatever you are evaluating, the list of the outputs, one of them is true, it's going to tell you it's true. Otherwise, it's going to give you false. I can print the results directly at every iteration. And that's the whole code. I think I'm going to submit it right away. We have 6 test cases and we've passed all of them. So that's it for string validators in Python. This is the Python solution for HackerRank. Please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel, and let me know if you have any questions.